What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Vrbo.com and I'm gonna be showing you how to change your email address associated with your account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you want to basically change your email address, what you need to do is basically the follows. To access your Vrbo account, go to Vrbo.com and log into your account. From there on, and basically if it's required, basically what you need to do is enter a 6-digit code, but it will probably not be required. What you need to do is select My Profile and over here select the option called Settings. So what you need to do is basically you're either gonna have Settings or Edit. If you have an Edit option, click on Edit. From there on, you will be able to make changes to your home address or basic infos. From there on, select Settings to update your email address or basically to change it. So let's repeat the process. Click on your profile option. From there on, select Edit if you want to make changes to your home address or whatsoever. But if you want to change your email address, select Settings, and from there on find an email address and basically update it, and you will probably have a confirmation email from Vrbo which you need to confirm, and basically that's the entirety of the process. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.